Even Mahama, your boss, your own boss, the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama Krampo, let me go PM to sympathize with Ghanaians. Not just because of Sir Mahama, no, Ninia Ibrahim Mahama, Mami, Efria Santimemu, dear. Medican Carter will say, some percent you drop information, you better drop it. I'm a nipa you. And this is part of the reasons why Ibrahim Mahama, about the account people, are dear to many. On fe niagro because ne maame ya kaniba na se de enuanum semufo no omfa paternal system no or family no omfa niagro eno nti na ama Ibrahim no ka no ho kɔ eyesrem saa no. And so when it comes to making sure see wa boa ne nuanum akamfo a omfa niagro kra obuo mu ye papa. But let me tell you something, not just because of that realization through the minds of the Republic of Ghana, President John Dramani Mahama. Since any maami fra santimemu dia, any one so automatically no, who did kwa santimemu mani ye. Enti no, sadia tukumasefo a oba bebo de binye sa. Demon President net na ase hunu say PZ for Kumasi adum for wo ye Ghana for. Enya asantefo nkwa na di dwa ho. Ana enye anwunafo nkwa na di dwa ho. Enuanum siemufo, asantefo, anwunafo, fantefo, name them. Different regions of Ghana na ko piemu ho. Uko piemu ewo Kumasi a Muzi Zongo Fantini town. He for beam. As I say, like all these places, and when I got named after certain tribe of people, I know what to do. Woman in our story, I know pa. No mako piemu ewo PZ. Boys no. Omu kodiga. Na si do musi ka womwa santi a country no. It is so pale to the extent say ope odo pa say there be a tribalism anywhere, discrimination anywhere. Opimu PZ in it's a whole different Ghana on its own. Pure love. So what to me to say catch your boys we omu pay bibi dinti. Omu show se ombe luso omu shops. Yama mene mo omu pay bibi ye ejuma dinti. Ah santini ba papa bi. Akani ba papa bi ope ejuma din. No di jesi kan ko ton ho ansan wadidi. Enama ejuma dinti. Omu akwatena kwa ho ton ade utimi catch ra wo mo se. Wo mo dross mu kankan ɛkow. Ebi ma me fa aboa yi nto so na me address ni ye ma me fa aboa yi nto so na me address aboa yi na onhu se wajibi me shorty na me bold into as ye go tell it because today I got a whole lot of damn message for you. What you said to your ma me mo a wo mo ton ade e wo eye Kumasi adum ni pizza se omo dross mu sebi ebon no, it made me realize akwai I saw experience with when it comes to said dross mu bon or bad dross mu bon. I say Kevin tell our experience with it because ota ka san sam ne kire ma oba ho bon oba ho say sebi o ma me nsin dwomfo ma o ma me onsin ye nuanom mfantefo mbo o to ade e wo eye Kumasi edum o ma me onsin ye ma me nom a o mu didwa e wo Kumasi kegetia sa na wo yire no nso nsin won ti se wotimi address your mothers no in such a way then have every right to address your wife in same level. In a more professional way, I mean decent kakra na me cha aboa de nyansa. Wo kwate ne wo he. Usua no nyina ma me sebi ne ho bon ho. Nti wo nyina onim se de oba dross mu bon sitie. Ana ye wo yire no. Kevin, I want to ask you this question because you normally talk about this. Oba mu trum bon sit wo yire no. And I think in your family nobody does a hard work to get money. Obi ambreye to eat before. It no unim send your breast here. I say quick money no ah. So ba ko so cement di enka de be ko ball aso akoye adwuma. That's why we have a lot of videos of you. E wo ball aso awoye adwuma because we say ball aso no benya aduane adi abra wo mre ho. That is how your family fed you. It mu ko piem wo ball ano so na mo ba ho pon kan ti no. E ya na ye wo so obi a ho bon. So who experience with how nipa ho si bon fa. Let me tell you something. And you be an ho bon said ye wabusuafo ho bon no. You see say the last time papa betu tuntoma. Papa nim ne ntoma ne hwidie mu ne ntoma no. That is how papa kronsa won ho bi sa. Obi otimi tutu kente. E di lazy gwa no. Apart from so free busu ye nkurase mu no. Unse dim nyansa. When I sit down to go into logics with you, journalism in Ghana history and education system, do you know it? So what born went to university and most of the times what happens to you and they say journalism school. Most of the people in journalism schools, I don't mean to disrespect you, but most of you know that because of someone intimi ensua de endru baby ninti na mutusu. It was just a last killer move, option. And he said, Kevin, so what me ko school do a chire kakra. I'm asking you, na ka to console no what is times table no. Yeah, just times table lo. Say about 5 p.m. will be mehaye. About 6 p.m. will be mehaye. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be mehaye. And you know you did. Would you adwuma away? In your holidays be and as your one number woman near Chebia Bramo. And you times table show you. So what me ko school do a chin our portable job will be a chair will come out the heaven. Nanka won't see console anymore. Nanka won't fancy and you see for binomo. Sebi, one so much Jimmy to say political wise. Said ye end this ya buy a show move, yassi. Nene ye baby a grassy power underdeveloped. A year you stem for any one phone will be a crow was say ye short me for another baby on better adding. Nay answer for a woman, you sim for any answer for a woman, and when I for any answer for a woman, a press on mobile MPP are buying, not development MPP person with the bomb crum abado. Jimmy for a free moon or more botuguro, Sanqua Saforo, or more wontino. What can see what be a bravo? Diana Miss Soup. Emma Midianum sim for any Angafua. Woman they say ebinum, one woman the Nisimuno, woman Jimmy since 1979, ebesi 2000. Matuabano ama NDC basic net, no development. You see, so when you want us to deal with what we call tribal politics, actually, for the NDC, most strongholds. More disrespected, more strongholds in a whole lot of way. And because of NDC, it's in a nipa, edit and yanom phone, edit to a matter. Obeti who ceremony, no bunisoya buebi. It's the chief imam, the national chief imam. Now what press MPP beba power. So the way I know see receive a year Baomia, and the way I know see receive a year Mahama. Because the chief imam in all his wisdom knew no ma pa MPP for buying a massive for. And I'm one almost 2 regions, some one or more or mother friend as a for. Or when tis 2 regions we and Timin Koso. Wouldn't get a drama drew Metians. Every Okatakyie Afrifa and no matter Mensah or K1ng Ghana one. Nobody put ya a boy one more brave. No one church to Mukwaya Mefaswa to a battle. Amokuru was say. Say, and this will be Papa Mamwaka. Was your form to find Kobe Krum Cobra? I don't know who you are saying for many years anymore, yes, sir. I don't know who you are more young for many years. I don't know who many months, sir. Someone of my friend, because of this fool. No Ghana, no NDC Buadwa. Nanka over 34, almost 40 years since NDC Abeke Kabumina, Nanka Wutu Free Ghana. You makes it looks like the NDC government is the best option for Ghana. But Kevin, let me tell you something. After all your experience with how a man who born free fee and crab bring my minimum church who are born. After all this experience, you don't know the history of NDC. And the met Maka NDC who bakwase ka krebia chirawo. You don't call light one. And the Ghana Airways are agui. Yes, should be seen name. Ghana Airways and Guasia, a country like Ghana. Yeni Ghana Airways papa bia. Yeni vie mushe bia, otimi to wa Ghana deal mu say we Ghana dia. And Guasisa. Ye kwa bo e wo kurobe sompo most of the time high private jet country aye called yetimi high wo private jet say me fire nko and omo plane say me fire nko. Na players yititim so me kom so mu nkomu. And yes, someone tena to na so inside that we don't know. Such a shame. Do you know how it happened? From the year 1979 to the year 2000, answer na JJ Rawlings ebe free abanso no go Ghana Airways no. With a debt, living a debt of over $100 million. At that time, over $100 million. Ogo no eja hodo. Eno ne nne. Ghana Airways entimi nyina na so be sin. So NDC e de go Ghana Airways and yesu mu be sin. Not just that, adwuma Ghanaian youth enye binye nyina no. E be sin de. Ye nya nyansani bia ma ne ntena asim bisa no say if Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was able to do a whole lot of jobs for Ghana, factories I saw building a shoe, tie factory, any adjadi, Nina so to me idea, and the factories no were Ghanaian youth. It means it was JJ Rawlings. He sold every dime of the factories. He sold them. In fact, When the SETI BBFN the Divestiture Implementation Committee, JJ Rollins, and you know what the committee was for? Committee in Ghana said, factories are coming Chroma building in a young town, and they sold everything before leaving in office without leaving a dime. They sold it to the extent, say, and this amount you couldn't buy and pocket one they were selling the factories to pastors, Emma Ghana, so forth to tons, Asinibi, and then Juma Ghana for Benyabiaye. Have you ever asked yourself, so why in Chroma factories, why not disorganize it? Why not Tontoye? It was the NDC government. It is and if Ghanaian youth are complaining of jobs, we're supposed to ask the NDC government. Say, Kevin, tell us why you brought to the sense so name the party history, so be political, that is tribal politics. Let me tell you, you can't blame the Asantes. They are not the only ones or more to about. What you say? Blame the NDC government for selling factories. And I want some of the Kwame Nkrumah. Blame the NDC government for selling the factories. Kwame Nkrumah building. Obia will say me as soon as me came a buano to comment section. Jimmy Kasana de Bia Jandam, the only word I want to we are saying when you are telling them the truth and the truth hit them hard. Then they write Jandam another comment section. There's one thing you could see proper analysis being free of what damage with this. If Ghanaian you today is complaining of say you need Indiana because Indiana don't want Ghana and so Ghana for so we have to import. Say and the Burkina Faso enya in toast in no man can be imported from Ghana and ye be almost so we import to my BMwa. Now say Indiana mo day basic how once a be. Say a month ye free China any other day. And who have a D to the extent say and the normal you have what price a cost. Now say Ghana you complain say one day Indiana idea. Do you know whom you're supposed to blame? We should blame the man who killed the policy. Now you operation feed yourself. You know? We should blame. Party no koku nipa no the operation feed yourself nearby. Even gardens in Ghana were turned into farming. It go to a time I hope from all various parts of Africa nobody to free or Ghana no more. And that was during the time of a champon. Why they come a champon? JJ Rollins. When you go PM with Tessie shooting range, who bought it to say tem kuno. Kuno, yeah. Had the ya and a champ on the for Tobacco golf, where the Sika man bed. Sound same way you try, you do go a champ for the mass. But you know the saddest thing. I brought my gun of full feeling say a champ on the Ghana Sika. And this is for you, JJ Rollins, your founder. PNDC 10 to NDC, sound of way. My gun of full feeling, yes, a champ on the Ghana Sika, yeah, massive. A champion you come near, then some more in a to eco try. Not empenning a bar when you say bar Ghana man, you say, she shame was a champion, yes, I wouldn't in any a papa was cow baby. She shame same be see there. There is no recorder, a betting yache, an amount of money, a fixed amount of money, and a champion paki good baby. The saddest thing of it was say a champion chromo kuno, not even one person when he be daho. Such a genuine man. Rollins killed him like an animal. With Tessie shooting range without any factual reason. Do you want us to go into the details, the history of your party? Kevin? Because there are a lot of things Ghanaians want to know about your party, and you are pushing us to go that deep. So what's the word, Jimmy? You see, this political gimmickries repeatedly that goes on. That makes people feel like Asantes are the problem when it comes to election. Asante for the national cake. Because I know better me ako busa idea winning bia. Say, what are some of the regions in Ghana? We are the richest in Ghana. Hey, radio stations are a provincial. TV stations a provincial. The owners of this, the number of companies in Ghana who owns them, about 80% of them. Some fake statistics now what they call Bontina Santwe the poorest. These are all political gimmicks. What the NDC is trying to do, Kevin, who tell me? Is to make all the other regions the account sitting now hit Asante for. See when they are divided, the accounts are divided. Or would you phone twaba? The NDC about power. Now let me tell the accounts. Mushe Nyansa. Asante for what time Beba Mukroma say Murem. I can't follow. These are games of the NDC. They are Santos hit nobody. You know, too for last year, all your dinner party, nananom more come when making sure so being by Tubia. If in the non-accounts, Gamma was there. When you go to the northern side, nananom they were there to prove to people. And even when you go to Asante region, you see how the unity that circulates within the people, regardless of where they come from, how it works. It tells you, Asante for and said the amount for Kano. The love is so pure. But NDC are buying say dress Asante for and say, Omubu other tribes of Moa. You know why? Just to make you feel like, and yes, they told you, say, when the NDC comes to power, Asante in its power will be limited. The MPP for bad the dance or not so much to the tune for power. A be unlimited. You know what I say? Since I'm a hammer by, or in a band who I've visited several times. Now, me one thing I be blame pass the kind of people I blame very much. And you need my son form so me NDC for. There are reasons I'm the NDC for. No, I need two reasons. The first reason is the most stupid reason. A man for say other than they be almost to Obama MPP. And because of that, in India, or share any over to my NDC or person standing different when they wish him. Now, it was such a stupid reason. You know that this party is not going to help you. But because of somebody, it means one can only focus in life. Somebody decide for you. That is one reason why Asante for be NDC for. The second reason I know is very stupid. And they say, Ebusieni munoshe munobia ye MPP ni, adenti no bia MPP ni, and you no see NDC ni. Such a stupid decision. And you do it to for them. And you guys are worried. We are so stupid. If you are wise, don't be worried because you voted them into power to come and insult your mothers or modom. Don't be worried because you voted for them to come and insult your young brothers who are struggling to get what they will eat. Put food on the table. You guys voted for them. Go and read the Ghana goldbod or bill or PMO parliament. Go and read your policies. You can't answer so much was me here with Jimmy and your son. What? Otum for gold, no. Mama may accountability and NDC for a day or Hodi Amobene day. Yen nananom one na memo omo Hodi Amobene day. Infanti memo be omo Hodu omo go down obey day. I have for bono omo Hodi Amobene day. Such a stupid policy to disrespect yen nananom. And Yenma Kamfon has allowed themselves so low, say out of anger. Into no MPP party no crowd woman to ababiu. Afi na munsu. Afi no say political games no omenyamo. Omo mata Asantefo etinielu to come together. You people are one. Clans have loved themselves for a very long time. That is why their language has always been unique. Ni nyina no otichi kasa no. Ye fe no chi kasa ye wa Asante twi, ekwapim twi, whatever twi, bunu twi, ni nyina ye chi kasa. Chi kasa. My politics is inevitable. Ya be kan kire mo se mo ma me no dross mo se bi kan. Ya me di wo busuafo atem. O ma me no mo wo mo bre, wo fadom wo mo bre. Ya chom so mo agimi na nko mo hye se mo mpo ankeye. If you are able to say KJT boys no ma hye no because of their side of politics no almost you yank ya dey so nke eduan manwrafo ebinom no na ke aso mu nyina mawu so magimi enyansafo mu wanwra mamu kire se MPP party ni na beboa ye nti mu yento aba no ema no semufuo mu the northern sector mu nim nyansa enso kodi ba wo meachi se yento aba no MPP mu na beboa ye na mu bia na frame wo magimi ye nti wo mu kro mai se wuram omo so mu pay development. Even if the biggest nursing training college e besi wanwra mamu mpokra na se o wo mu de omo nto it would be PM tribal politics. I call Hontino. Hey, who could drama any party? Who bet me a 001 tin Hakano Crescent and Crescent. Abu about 3 screens so with Mitinasi at home. Now, my mission will be if say we bush and 4 bobra, Nanka now crew 1 Kotanaka mem, and call Boise, a dancing or Boise in Asante region, and we bush and 4 bobra. Say we bush and 4 bobra, Nanka send a cancasana would DDA. What is a times table Becky a program did. So Wabusiafo Bobra ka do krom kasa na yeshow even Wabusiafo mfo mo hwe no omo hwe se kasa ye do ba mu wo be soma Asante mere bi atwam no be di wo ball aso Asante ball aso wo be yeshow no mo kakra di se na wutimi tina fie tamfo ese ni sika kofia even Asante twi ya. You see how animalistic you are. Won say they will see aboa. And if your wife is not able to advise you, your mother is not able to advise you, your father, then it means so many na mo asa wa antia. And I am shocked that your wife have this fool under his ceiling. Your wife is so stupid to the extent that she thinks that it is so fair for you to insult other women, but not her. And I will see the day that your wife will feel like you have disrespected her, and God will live to judge. If it is so fair to disrespect other people's mothers, fathers, brothers, and your own family demand respect from you, the fairness of nature will welcome you in a very good way. I am saying this in English so that your wife will listen to this very carefully. But which your phone seeing will be and one thing I know the saddest aspect in I say, you know, see phone in some who say, I then you to about for more than 30 years. I mean, this year you could pan that time. See phone and young phone. Oko comes Hohoi. One took my own until one at 85 to 90% of the places in Volta region. Unko Meboa. One took my say, why you Krumu Yada and out Tassasua came, especially at Santa region. And the non-account state episode Tassasiakra. I think in most police episode Bobra. In the account state, place like a Santa, you wish so many as a chateau in your group. That tells you, say, there is a huge lack of development in Volta and the northern sector. And whom are you supposed to blame? The MPP? Abraham Moto Massa Mua Sebi Binom. Emma NDC party no. No so with development bia and you looking for a development from the party that you don't vote for. What me to about me to vote to na man eba sa. Mama say enti nipa na wo ho, nipa wo ho. Enyansafo afra ngunafo emu mu gu o mani masi o. Enyansafo afra semfo mu gu o mani masi na magimi too much. Umu ye diabre wo kra say part of the country I can afford. Na ka kan kra ntini state. Ade na bi ni magimi sa. Ade na bi ni magimi sa. Ti the NDC for the yam party nyina mo pe. Onu Kevin Taylor na watch us tan asante no. Do you know how he eat? He eat because of the language na was time no. I can afford to no no dididie. Oba life for Okatakyie. Na nipa be hwe no no adidi. Wenye sika wo internet nso adidi. Was tan san kofo no do o kasa didi no. Mo nhini won. Eban tete yeso obeda ni nipa ne maame ne papa kosom ya abanso oboase in Asante region. Kopem so onyini ya bon nti ofedi ya watumi ko university a wode ko journalism school. Asante region ya hu ne said be o mu se wa bon enso ye de tete ye be kire wo kasa. Se de si kasa wo nipa mu. No watumi akọ journalism school. And even the journalism school now okodo because of the nurturing of the society, of the environment of the people of Asante. But also wo de enkwati Asante tie ni bi free account for no. Now I was then I want to find now which is a dark central region, eastern region, western region, these places. Why do you want to go there sometimes? Because you waste one day was I see a one development when you see all the other places. When you a crown so assassin be a gap. Regions are very low in terms of development. The 5 northern regions and the other 80% of Volta region. And there are some people within these regions who want to see massive change of development, so they are voting and they are following the MPP. And then moving from say there be development, maybe a club moembo. Nike mukan kind and then say ton kwasiama sa and they say Volta region, any the northern region, and there will be a move. And you still watch Kevin Taylor. Where Jimmy? Enquisita Bay. And the NDC for better some with the position pet. The chairman were no. This is Yamanuka say, Cramo the hard village. Munko fetching with 2 more heavy moonsum, would they assume the fat hammer? Twedi ampon wase koye adwuma den ne fa wo se didi na wo nya sika be na ade akwa koye zakat no se wo nya adwuma mun kan che o mse mu pe adwuma mu pe development wo mu krom na adai NDC adai mun ko bu so mo sa question no. That is when you will see say Kevin Taylor is your worst enemy. He's the most foolish person. The list of all for you people to listen to. You know can say me bobo free Jubilee House leak audio. Before I ever call, you can team. You can this video. I free year 2021. How you will be rejected a rice and a member of parliament and they come up. Nobody insulted them, but then you see the Asante for not a meeting.
Fishermen in Elmina in the central region on Tuesday, 27th of July 2021, rejected food items which included rice and oil from the Minister for Fisheries and Aquaculture, Mavis Hawapunse. The minister arrived at Elmina late afternoon on Tuesday after the fishermen had waited for her since 9 a.m.
So what kind of watch am from a I was in your buying. na at the same time more points in there saying you there about to pumuna at the same time no nka nyama no da to pumuna be 1 week na die na e da ba na work about 3 days 4 days and what to pumuna che dey am we bring na abra ye nkokwa.
The chief fisherman of Elmina, Nananom Bedu, appealed.
What's the reason why entia wo mwanje mo no MP ne de bre ho no na me yenkotie eye na ohene ya no wo Elmina ono so se mo be kai
nti ne kase no mu na ochre senti kro no mu de ma apono wotum te ina yite nti udu ne kase mu ana ehwe na nkofu bi wo chile ha o starti awo ba hihye oh ne so ofi na da men bi ya na afalfu ndo na ina wo telefon da pata wana unte kra amuni yanji na msa amuni waje bla wana na mso meka na amuni wana waje bla wana anja kwe no ha pata bia unte.
You see say na be ensu mu na monsa wo Ghana nti Ghana ban during the MPP government time or the little days of ban eto wo mo so say he na o ma anko yi na na be amoa ne betimi awowo na distinction wo ma senhye e wo poase saa no ma we nyina si ye MPP aban tena ase dwene hu se da bi kompetimi ade nkofu yi nti ma me nkomo mo se de ne interior minister as what the emu e koma asantefo mu so mu bu afi not just because they don't like the right because they just wanted an assurance. Say before they accept the rice, they need assurance from the interior minister. Say, I'm shops no. If that answer is not coming, they had the right to reject those rice. So, Ohina wo Elmina ho, one of the chiefs. Mboka said, Semono, Mpini deba, Senabea in Shumunam since she Ghana no, intia tupu ni muka crack. You know, Bianco yi nam wapumu for safety reason, preservation reason, to avoid extinction reasons. Better reason way, itimubuof, na ye bremo dianem with intimusimu. They packed the rice back into the truck of the MP. Kevin Taylor, no speaker for the MPP party came out to insult the factors. If you want to do tribal politics, do it well. We will not attack people. We will always give you the necessary response that you deserve. A certain response. For the leaked audio, the Munsem the mood to do. Kasebi womu hoye mood do about a vice president and an area. Let me equity in penning combo and Tisa Krabenwa and then train home free one check.
And a grandma Jane will collapse ye will Flagstaff household. Will collapse yes, a moje tuner, I want to check. Neho moje tuning asem ketua. And a Julius Debra and camera captured Julius Debra. Say what the name sa. Come on, menasi. Asi one more. Julius Debra see Bibi Shema menasi ye benti I am she no de sa call ma menasi. And no ti omo ration in the call Ridge Hospital. And then na what you wuku mo Ridge Hospital. Where costing you now? And the call her. Say ma menanya cervical cancer. Or dada e won so onim so was cervical cancer. Na moja ni tu ni sana and pofrem wo ho no na mo se mo yam hye na Julius Debra no de nsa e ko hye ma menasi. Na camera no twa no NDC for ho ne twa you NDC for ho ne twa ya mu duplicate ACZ crofo laptop ne crofo phone say wo mo phone so eni wo phone so e wo Ghana jollof me ho ma me ne twa na Julius Debra no de ne se ko se ansa no mo ration akọ ne wo ho mu wie ya nura na no mo ma me ne duplicate be gina simpie so kasa o kasa nyina otimi nkasa wo yare ne baby ye ne ya ontimi nkasa so mo fo so na me na kasa mo wi akwaje crofo laptop eni o mo phone so amwa mo so eni o mo phone o ni o mo asem wo mo ntimi nka me Ghana jollof no metimi aka akire wo kwasiafo agimifo etesemo wo Julius Debra na do nsa ko hye maame na se no wo ye nsa na ye endoscopy maame no moje etu ne twa ne wo nsa na wo de ko wura maame na se ansa na mo de na ko hospital wo no wo nsa na ye endoscopy mo jimi sana mu gu ho no ma eche ho dwuma nko na mu gu ho amudie eche ho dwuma nko a maame abiriwa we oti we emoje efiri ne twa enya cars mu gu ho no mo ho mu ni ambulance nya to na mo de ni two ambulance mu na mo de ko hospital to na mo de ni two ambulance mu ko hospital nya mo nsa na mo de bewura ne twa e na be ye hwe nkwase afagimi fo mu nsu nyansa na sa mo afa mo sanko wura obi atwe ebi se maame no wo yare eti bi betimi asibiem and apart from ono kura no ba bia betimi ayesa bibi sa emfa tumri kan fa ansa ko wura oba ne twe se wo ye bema Uyama so kwasia. Uyama so yere no na ado sa akowura ne. Wodo sa akowura ne twe. Kwasia se mu bu o man mu di simisem wete flash staff house obu o man. Eja hye be de na ma kwasia so re musuo kwa na mukofa ba wiase. Mwajimi jimu
see we see 2 weeks before answer mama ne yare ne de ne be kopiemu e wa kwantu. Other intel also say we ni see aye de mama no fly out of the country. But I believe say 2 weeks ago mama did video be babo ntia ntia because man why I'm pa. I'm sure say that was the incident to see and what no obekasa into na Ghana for if you say mama no I am pa. Sanse when you na ekoso NDC. Mama mu ya mu bu ekoso. E bia mo asase de mu nsi wuriwura. Nka ho asem. Young Ghanaians, all tribes, different tribes are ediva. And a momo blogger in the presence of the Republic of Ghana because sympathizing with them. When we did your hominy more, we any part. You so many be a dean to know hard work. You don't have to insult people before they eat. And so they don't have to go and sell themselves to people. Remember, and some way the same TV woman, a number woman ton and we know the difference between a nam hajinipa, any idea bone second kaya and I'm sure say when I came in and the experience of him talking all the time. So basketball, but sure baby in a free. If ye man or no in mamma no busy in sono, one or take kind free into a being says Sahano will be at it. So any experience on how a bad dross will see bomber, come for bad dross. And told about so what me do a baby at Temwa, get no mammy, almost saying your mammy won't be able to my day outside of it. When I kid even with the crankers of any update, they say, shall make na me see her, let me canoe crack. You should be a boy a cotainer dean, wanting me so near her. What's all you be on for me to say, ye be her. My crab with
K1, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostan also, the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. We need maybe a orchestra free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, the K1ng modern K1ng will try pa.